So this Brahmin had a doubt in his mind that who is the is it coming?
नतमस्तक से प्रणाम करते हैं और वो अनंत बड़े विश्व ब्रह्मांड के मालिक मजदूरी के काम करेगा, ये कैसे हो सकता है?
So I think it be possible that he would carry it on his head, but Krishna is saying in Bhagavad Gita that if you are who is my one pointed bhakta, I will carry what he needs on my head and give it to him. So here Bhagwan is saying myself will carry on my head what the devotee needs, that I will carry it. It's coming now? Okay, thank you. So he had a pen, so he put underline because he had doubt that so the doubt was that Krishna, who is the great, he's got so many servants, so why would he personally carry himself and the Lord on his head? So what does Bhagwan, what is the quality? One quality of Bhagwan is if there is so if a bhakta has any doubt in his mind, then Krishna will abolish this doubt. Whatever doubt is there, Bhagwan will shed. So reading this Gita, Bhagwan's ichha, because Bhagwan wants to do Leela. So these 7 days it rained so much. This Arjun Mishra, poor Brahmin, so whatever he got bhiksha, the husband and wife used to live. They didn't have children. So whatever they got, they ate. Whatever they got, and they ate everything. Whatever they got from bhiksha. And every day they used to read Bhagavad Gita. So for 7 days it continuously rained. So these 7 days he couldn't come out from the house. So on the 8th day, when the clouds disappeared, so he went out to collect bhiksha. So he started to give bhiksha. So are you not ashamed to come to a house for 7 days? It's been continuously raining and you are coming to collect bhiksha now. So he started to go house to house and everybody just didn't give him anything. So like that he went from house to house, and soon it was lunchtime and he didn't get not a single thing from bhiksha. Since Shastra I said, so even the Raj Khali nahi. So even the rights. So even if the king doesn't have anything, but the Brahmin who is going from door to door from bhiksha, at least from 100 houses, one house we will give something. So when the Sakhas were hungry, Krishna said, go to the Brahmin who is doing the yagna, that they will give you something to eat. All the wealth of the king is finished. The bhikharis, the bhikhari, will jolly, his pot will not go empty. Will not empty because somebody will give him something. But today what happened, that Arjun Mishra, whose ever house he went to, that nobody gave him anything, and so he got very sad. So he started to, so like that, so all day went past and became 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and he still didn't have anything from any houses. So he thought, okay, maybe it's not Krishna's desire today. Today, like here, if there is bhojan here, then you would get it. Jana padega. So so that's true. So you are here, and if suddenly a telephone comes and says, oh, you have to come back quickly, you are eating, and then you get a telephone call, then what would happen? Then you will have to leave. Or otherwise, if the husband and wife, husband is eating or wife is eating, and then they start arguing, then they will, with anger, they will leave the food and get up and say, oh, I don't want to eat. So according to whatever karmas, whatever it is there, that's how much you will get. The Maya Devi will arrange in such a way, wherever dana, wherever you got a grain, food to eat, then you will get somewhere to eat. So if according to your karmas that you are going to eat here today, then you will get something to eat this. But even these people, they have got lakho, they've got, so now what lakho, they have wealthy men, if money, even now if you look at what is wealth, what is the use of money, like even a rickshaw wala has 1 lakh money. Like before, when we used to say, oh, you got lakh rupiah, so crore, even nowadays, even a crore pati is nothing. So even if you have 1 crore money, that's okay, that's nothing great. So even if you want to purchase a land, the land will be asked for 2 crore rupees. Even the jamin, if you want to buy some land here, then it's 2 crore or more crore, and then you have to spend another 10 crores to build a building over that land. So now a crore pati is nothing. So before, even if you say lakh pati, people used to like get surprised. But now, even if you say crore pati, so this katha. So
अच्छा सुना हुआ, अच्छा सुना, अभी आज 2 मिनट बैठ जाओ, कथा पूरी हो जाए 2 मिनट में। हाँ देखो,
so this Arjun Mishra Brahmin was when he returned, when he came to home, Jora, when he came home, so these 2 boys, like one named Samla and what was the other boy? Samla and no, there was 2 boys. One was white boy and one was black boy. So these 2 boys, black and the white boy, they came to his house and they were carrying baskets, and the baskets were full of so many varieties of fruit. At least you're Misra. Now we are not Achyuta. Now we are Achyuta Ghost. Achyuta. Achyuta Ghost. So at least you come here, so at least listen to Katha. So if the children ask you and say, oh mother, what did you hear in the Harikatha, then you listen from one ear and it comes out from the other ear. So at least listen carefully to the Harikatha. So these 2 boys came with the baskets full of fruit and so many food. So when these 2 boys knocked on the door, and the wife would turn, the wife opened the door. So they were sweating, they were carrying these 2 boys. So these 2 baskets, they put the basket down that they were carrying on their head. And the baskets had everything in there, from grains to butter, milk, ghee, oil, fruit. So the wife of the Brahmin is called Mishrani. Hey, wife, he said, what's this? said, the boy said,
अर्जुन मिश्रा आज क्या की बहुत
but
उन्होंने दीक्षा में आजकल मिला।
so the boy said to the wife that
हम दोनों बालक खेल रहे थे
Panditji, you know, your Panditji, your husband collected so much piksha. He got so much piksha today, and we boys were playing. And then they say, then your husband told us to carry this and bring it to you.
ब्राह्मण होकर लालच क्या है, हम तो कभी इन्हें मानते नहीं।
So she got very angry that we are Brahmin. We don't ask so much, even if we get 2 dry rotis, that's enough for us. So these 2 young, beautiful boys who raised the girls, the cheeks were like rasgulla, and the beautiful eyes they had, and they had curly hair, and one was white, one was Gora, white, and one was dark. They looked so beautiful boys. And these 2 beautiful boys, why did my husband give so much to carry on their head? Why has my husband become like that today? So she started to swear at her husband. So he said, what she said to the 2 boys, Sneha. So with her own her sari, she started to wipe the sweat from the 2 boys' face, and then she started to cook, and then she cooked for the boys, and she fed the boys. So like that, 3 o'clock passed. So after 3 o'clock, the husband, Arjun Mishra, knocked on the door. So 7 days I've gone to get bhiksha. I haven't got anything. So what should I do? So my wife will tell me, what did you bring for today for bhiksha? What shall I tell her? But actually what happened, the fruit happened the other way around. That their wife started to swear at him so much. So wife, and the wife swears at the husband, wife is very sweet. I haven't got married, but in Shastra it says, in Shastra it's written that the wife, even if the wife slaps you, then also there is Anand, the husband. So she started to swear. So the husband said, what's wrong with you? Have you gone mad today that you are swearing at me? So the wife said, hey, you collected so much bhiksha today. So the Brahmin said, I didn't collect anything today at all. And now it's 3 o'clock. But no, you collected so much bhiksha. And then he told these 2 boys to carry a big load of all this bhiksha to bring it to my house, to our house. So you sent chawal, you collected bhiksha of ghee, atta, ghee, oil and spices and the body. Bas, what have I done is I cooked for the 2 boys and I fed them, and now they're resting. Then Arjun Mishra is saying, thinking, is this really truth? So he said, hey, come inside, you can see it. So he saw all the chawal, dal, everything was there. All the things were, all the items, all the ingredients were there. But the 2 boys were not there. So what did the wife say? So you hit the 2 boys, you slapped them, and you could see on their body there was a slipper, this red, the slaps on it. So then Arjun Mishra realized that these 2 boys are no ordinary but Krishna and Balaram. Then Arjun Mishra said, let me bring my Gita. So Gita, you know, that where he put on the slok, when he put the red line. So, and then he saw that these red lines were removed.
भगवान दे दी
So
संसार की वस्तु भी दे
whatever
दी।
you do, if you worship Him one pointed, but you should have faith, then Bhagwan will fulfill
देखो, दो
everything what
नाव
you
में
need.
पैर रख करके आप नदी पार नहीं।
So if you put your 2 feet, 1 feet in one boat and the other feet on the other boat, do you think you'll be able to cross the river? No, you will not be able to cross the river. What will happen? You will drown in the water.
गीता में यही भगवान कह रहे
So
हैं।
Bhagwan is saying in Gita,
केवल एकांतिक होकर के
so you
मेरा ही भजन
worship,
करो।
Bhagwan is saying, one pointed, do my bhajan.
यही गीता की विशेष एक शिक्षा है।
That is the Siksha from Bhagavad Gita. Ananga means very one pointed. One pointed.
पूरा कर देंगे।
So worship Krishna. Whatever you need, Krishna will fulfill everything for you. If you want a house, you want a child, you want a son, you want a daughter, whatever ichha you have in your mind, desires you have in your mind, but it should be Eka Nistha, one pointed Nistha.
इसलिए
I
गीता पाठ करो हर रोज। क्या
So
पाठ करो?
daily you should read Bhagavad Gita.
घर में 3 वस्तु रखो।
So I say 3 things you should keep in your house: Tulsi, Ganga Jal, and Bhagavad Gita.
और रोज प्रातः काल में उठ कर
Every day when you get up early morning,
देखो शरीर में कभी
you put Ganga Jal. You'll never get sick.
कोरोना तुम्हारे बिल्कुल
The Karuna will not come, will not be able to do anything to you.
डर के हटके नहीं।
So people are so scared of Corona. It's lockdown. So I said, what I tell people is keep Tulsi and Ganga Jal. Pass.
देखो कोई बीमार नहीं।
If you
अपराध भी तो है।
if you take Ganga Jal every day, then no disease will touch you. No, you will never get any disease.
विश्वास करके करो तो मिलेगा।
So if you do it with faith,
हजार कुछ करते
if
हैं।
you have faith, then the desires will be full. But if you don't have any faith, then nothing will happen.
होकर के क्या करो?
So worship Krishna with one pointed mind, one pointed head.
गीता में भगवान कहते हैं सर्वधर्मान् परित्यज्य
So Bhagavad-
मामेकं शरणं व्रज अहं त्वां सर्वपापेभ्यो। इसके बाद मोक्षामि मा शुच। भगवान का
Bhagwan is saying,
सब कुछ छोड़ के एकमात्र
leave everything and come
भगवान
one
को है।
pointed worship me.
है। इसलिए कृष्ण की भजन करो।
So that's why to worship Krishna.
इसलिए आप लोग क्या करोगे? किसके भजन करोगे?
Who will you worship?
और कृष्ण से थोड़ी आगे जो आप करना चाहते हो बहुत अच्छा है।
So if you want to go Krishna,
वो क्या है?
Radha ji. So if you want to go even above Krishna, then who you should worship is Radharani. Even Mana Siksha. That you should become
भजन करो।
one pointed bhajan to Radharani,
बोलो राधा रानी।
and your life will be successful.
और फूल लिया। आशीर्वाद करते हैं ईश्वर ठाकुर की आरती और प्रसाद भी है 9:30 बजे। बोलो गोविंद राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे 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 जय 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 श्री राधे रानी जय महारानी जय राधा रानी जय महारानी जय